Welcome to our discussion on Hacker Recon. As a CompTIA security professional, I've seen firsthand how critical understanding this topic is. Hacker Recon, or Reconnaissance, is the initial step in a cyber attack. It's the phase where hackers gather information about their targets without the targets knowing. One common method of hacker recon is social engineering. This is when hackers manipulate people into giving up confidential information. They might pretend to be a trusted individual or organization to trick the target into divulging sensitive data. Another method used in hacker recon is network scanning. Hackers use this technique to identify active hosts on a network, their IP addresses, and the services they offer. This information can be exploited to launch a successful attack. Hackers also engage in vulnerability scanning. This involves identifying potential weak points in a system that can be exploited. It's like a burglar checking for unlocked doors or open windows before breaking into a house. Lastly, let's talk about footprinting. This is when hackers gather information about a system's infrastructure and network. They might look at IP addresses, domain names, or network topology. This information can be used to design an attack that targets the system's weakest points. Understanding hacker recon is essential in developing strong security measures. By knowing the techniques hackers use, we can better anticipate potential threats and safeguard our systems. As a CompTIA security professional, I can't stress enough the importance of staying one step ahead of the hackers.